We'll be focusing on 3 major areas. Ever wonder what it takes to make a lasting first impression with your hair and facial grooming? Your hair and facial grooming are one of the first things people notice about you. Specifically, there are 3 important rules that, if mastered, will set the tone for your overall appearance and elevate your confidence right from the start. First up, don't look homeless. For the short hairstyles, you want to aim for a trim every 3 to 4 weeks. For the facial hair, whether you rock a beard or prefer a clean shave, consistent upkeep prevents a messy look. Keep both your hair and facial hair neat with regular maintenance. Next up, we've got styling. Once your hair is clean, the way you dry and style it can make or break your entire look. If you're looking to blow dry your hair to speed things up, then consider adding a heat protectant. So apply a light oil like argan or coconut, or a heat spray before blow drying to minimize the damage. If you have natural curls, then invest in the diffuser attachment to define your curls without any extra frizz, making sure you style and dry with purpose. The third key piece is precision. How you groom your facial hair says a lot about your attention to detail. Always shave in the direction of hair growth. However, if you prefer a beard, then find the length that suits your face and trim it regularly to keep it neat. You may also consider using a beard oil such as Honest Amish or the Viking Revolution that keeps it soft and skin friendly. So that brings us to rule 3 to ensure you maintain facial hair with precision. Let's move on to the second crucial area. Did you know that your skin's natural glow is not just like a genetics, but the result of a solid routine that washes away impurities and locks in moisture? When your skin feels good, you feel amazing as well. There are 3 key principles that you have to follow. Showers and body wash. Use a quality body wash like Dove Men Plus Care or Nivea Men to keep your skin clean without over drying. As for the oral care, consider a sonic toothbrush like Philips Sonicare to maintain a bright, healthy smile. And lastly, we've got nail care. Keep nails trimmed and clean. It's a small detail that speaks volumes about your self-care habits. You must prioritize your overall hygiene. Next is about getting rid of all the oil and dirt built up over the day. For that, we need to wash away impurities. Start with a gentle pH balanced cleanser. Most men's skin is between pH 5.4 and 5.9, so pick a product that respects that balance. Cleanse twice a day to remove dirt, oil, and impurity. Rule 2, the importance of establishing a consistent cleansing routine. Finally, we want to remove excess oil. We can remove dead skin cells and have a brighter complexion by exfoliating the skin, but make sure to do it gently, only once or twice a week. After cleansing, make sure to lock in hydration with a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Look for hyaluronic acid or glycerin to maintain moisture. And finally, never skip sunscreen. SPF 30+ to protect against UV rays and keep your skin looking youthful. This is where lasting skin health meets your daily comfort, giving you an all-around glow that boosts both appearance and confidence. Which gets us to rule 3, make sure you exfoliate and moisturize regularly. By building a consistent skincare and hygiene routine, you set the stage for a look that's both healthy and vibrant. Now let's tackle the final and often most overlooked area. Do you ever wonder why some guys always seem impeccably put together down to the last detail? The little things matter more than you might think, and the best routine is one you can actually stick with. These rules will keep you disciplined and always looking your absolute best. Making these practices a daily habit is what creates lasting change. So the morning shower, nightly face cleanse, and regular haircuts become second nature if you schedule them. 1. Consistency is key. Next up is technique. Shampooing is more than just lather and rinse. It's the cornerstone of healthy hair. I used to use the same chemical-laden shampoos that you would see on the supermarket shelves. Cheap, generic, and it left my hair dry and lifeless. One day, I decided to try a vegan, organic shampoo, and the change was unbelievable. My hair felt softer, looked thicker, and it actually started to shine. I realized that using the right shampoo is not just about cleaning, it's about nourishing your hair from the roots up. So when you choose a shampoo made with organic and vegan ingredients, you're not only caring for your hair, but you're also treating your scalp gently. Master your hair washing techniques. And finally, let's talk about the finishing touches, specifically in how you use fragrance and subtle style elements to complete your image. Apply your fragrance right after you shower, when your skin is still slightly damp. This is not a coincidence. Damp skin helps lock in the scent, making it last even longer. It also means that the natural warmth of your skin will help diffuse the fragrance evenly. Focus on pulse points where your body heat is highest. These spots include your wrists, the sides of your neck, and behind your ears. Now let's address address a common issue: settling for basic mainstream colognes that many others use. You don't want to be another Dior Sauvage guy. Instead, consider branching out and exploring niche fragrances that offer a unique character. You have to choose a scent that feels like you, and every single one of these details, when done consistently, will set you apart, creating a polished image that others notice immediately. However, even if you follow all of these grooming rules to a T, many guys still struggle to leave a strong impression. So if you have ever felt that way, you absolutely need to watch our video. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have found it to be helpful or informative to watch, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos relating to this one. Thank you once again for watching and see you guys in the next video.